Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and we will be continuing with the introduction of dental anatomy. So today we will be learning about line angles. So line angles is nothing but it is made up of two surfaces. Whenever the two surfaces join, they make line angles. And point angles, whenever three surfaces join, they make a point. That point is called a point angle. So first let's see for the anterior teeth. Anterior teeth, that is incisors. So I have drawn this figure over here. Let's start labeling the different line angles. So if you take this surface, the top one, what is that called? The incisal surface. And this incisal surface is joining with many other surfaces to make a line. Okay, so let's label those lines. So this line having the incisal and the labial side, it will be called as labio, and why it is on the incisal side, so incisal line angle. Now here behind you have to visualize it, that will be the lingual or the linguo incisal line angle, because it is in the lingual side. It's very simple when you get the hang of it, when you understand the concept. It's very easy. Okay, moving on. Let's name this side. So it is lingual and distal. So the name, as it says, the two surfaces, distolingual line angle. Then the other side we will see. This is labial and it is distal, so it will be distolabial line angle. And this one, it's behind. Okay, so that will have a lingual in it, and it's in the mesial side, so it will be mesolingual line angle. You gotta visualize that. And this one, mesolabial. Once or twice you also draw and practice, so you will be able to do it. Coming to the posterior teeth, that is molars and premolars. So instead of incisal, the top surface is called occlusal. So here the difference will be occlusal, and the labial is called buccal, because buccal, it's the cheeks. So there the name changes there. So this one is linguo-occlusal because it has a lingual and occlusal side. Now what about this distolingual? Okay. Now this, it has distal and buccal over here. So this line will be called as a distobuccal line angle. Now this line, it is in the distal side and it is on this occlusal plane, the top surface. So by the surfaces only we can name the line angle. It will be disto-occlusal line angle. Similarly, this side will be meso-occlusal line angle. Now this is buccal, so bucco, and occlusal, so bucco-occlusal line angle. And this line, what about this? Meso and this buccal, meso-buccal line angle. What else is left? This one, the lingual side, so it will be nothing but mesolingual line angle. Okay, how do you, so these were some line angles over here. Okay, so I hope it's very clear to you. This is going to be mesolingual line angle. Why is it mesolingual? Because it's in the mesal side and in the lingual side. So mesolingual line angle. Okay, coming to the point angles, they're made from three surfaces. Okay, so let's name each point one by one. So at the junction of three surfaces, there has to be a point. Let's name each point one by one. Okay, so these are some surfaces that I have named: lingual, distal, buccal, mesal, same as we saw there. Okay, so let's take a point. Let's take this point. Let's name it. You also try by yourself. Okay, so what are the 3 points over here? So first one, it's a mesal side, so meso. And which one? It is in the lingual side, so linguo. And it is on the incisal edge, so incisal point angle. Okay, we are doing anterior teeth, so it will have incisal. Always remember, first meso will come in the name, then that is meso or distal can come, then linguo or labial, and then at last the incisal or occlusal will come. Okay, so similarly we have named this point as it has those three surfaces. Now let's name other points. Let's take this point which I had drawn. So always remember, mesal will come first, right? So what will this point name be? This is on the distal side. So first disto. So disto, and then it's in the lingual side, so linguo, and then incisal point angle. Okay. Now let's name the other points. 2 more points are left. This one. So everything is similar. Okay. Distal side, labial side, and incisal side. Disto, labio, incisal point angle. And the last point, it's in the mesal side. Okay, what are the three surfaces over here? It's meso, labio, incisal point angle. Okay, I think it's clear, it's very clear. And now we will be doing the posterior teeth. Okay, it's very similar if you have understood the concept. Let's just go to the posterior teeth now. Okay, even in this teeth there will be 4 points. Let's name each point one by one. Okay, the 3 points which are made up of, the 4 points which are made up of 3 surfaces. There are many points on the tooth, but there are 4 such points which are made up of joining of 3 surfaces. Okay, that is the basic concept. So I have named this first one for you. Do name the other ones also quickly. I think it's very easy, you can do it by yourself. I don't think so I need to tell you this. but let me just name them quickly. We have finished the disto-linguocclusal, disto-labial occlusal. What else is left? Mesobuccal occlusal, and the last one. Okay. Oh, that one was disto-buccal occlusal. All right. There's no labial in this. I told you in posterior, instead of labial, it's buccal. The last one is mesolinguo-occlusal. Okay, so it's very easy over here. Now let's just count the total number of line angles in each type. So first we are seeing for the anterior teeth line angles. Okay, the total number of line angles in the anterior teeth. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 line angles in an anterior teeth. It's very important, these type of questions come in the exams, so I hope this is helpful. Let's see for the posterior teeth now. The total number of line angles, let's count. We have named all of them. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and last one 8. So there are totally 8 line angles in a posterior teeth. Okay, coming to the point angles, both of them, see, we named 4 points over here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 for anterior teeth, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 for posterior teeth. So anterior teeth will also have total number of point angles as 4, and total number of point angles in posterior teeth is also 4. So here we have finished with this naming. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching.